After a good day's sailing, you come back to your mooring and plug in your shore power. Then you can go home, and with your GPS tracker you can check your vessel is still there. Not so easy if you don't have power because your vessel is on a trailer or a swinging mooring. Fortunately, there are a number of solutions we can offer those in that situation. If your vessel has a good ship's battery, then you can use our standard units, but with our sleep mode activated. For more extreme cases, our internal battery-powered units. So let's now discuss some possible options. If your vessel has a good on-board battery and is kept on a trailer, or in the water, where there is no shore power, but you regularly use the vessel, say around once a week for a good run, then your option can be any of our 4G trackers, including AVT 10, 11 and 12 with the sleep mode switched off. There is no downside to this, and you will get 30-minute real-time updates when not moving, plus frequent updates when underway. In a similar case, but you use the vessel only a couple of times a month, then again any of our trackers are fine, but with our sleep mode turned on. This will give you the same 30-minute updates, but showing the location where the vessel went to sleep. Once the vessel moves, it will go back to real-time updates, showing where the vessel is now, plus frequent updates when underway. In the last example, where the vessel is often left for a month or more without use, it may well be you can still use our standard tracker with sleep mode set to longer sleeps. If not, or in the case of all vessels without a ship's battery, the alternative option is our non-tracker device. This is probably not a good choice of name, as it does track, it just does it less frequently. This is because everything is geared around preserving its internal batteries. It can be programmed to update say 5 times a day when not moving, and every 10 to 15 minutes when moving. In this form, the batteries will last a number of years before needing replacement. Let's now look at fitting the unit. In the case of the non-tracker, it just needs hiding away somewhere where it can see the sky electronically. With units powered by the vessel's battery, you have a few options. You can power it from the battery. You could also use the master switch or a convenient fuse box. On the support page of our website, you will find other videos showing the wiring in a little more detail. One important thing you must do when using a unit with sleep mode activated is to make sure you wire the yellow DIN1 wire to the vessel ignition, or the switched side of the master switch, to help make the unit aware it is time to wake up. If you don't, it will still detect it when you move off, but it may take a little longer. We hope you have found this brief tutorial useful. Goodbye.